Howdy friends, today we're going to be doing a Lucki tutorial from his new album Freewave 3. Before we start, I want to say I have a new loop pack that just came out as well. It's going to be 10 loops inspired by Juice WRLD, Lil Peep, and Young Lean. I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and get that. Now let's get started. His production is pretty fast. It's also known for being dark and ambient as well. I have chords playing in D sharp major. They're played on every bar with a nice little melody over top. Now this is a pad and this is what it sounds like. Now I have a second pad that comes in. It's going to be the same chord notes, but I've added extra notes here that just lead into the next set of chords playing. And one more layer of pads, which is the exact same thing as the one before. And now for the main melody. There's a lot of reverb on it, so it spaces everything out. And this is what it sounds like all together. And now for the drums. We'll start with the 808. Now the 808 is just played from the bottom of the chord notes. And then with the kick over top. I've layered up a clap and a snare. A snare in between for bounce. I have two set of perks, just for variety. And then to round it off, one more clap. For the hi-hat, I've kept it pretty simple. There's just a couple of rolls in there, but also play around with the velocity. And for the open hi-hat, that one I kept simple as well. And finally, the crash. I usually put it in just when there's going to be a new element that's coming into the track. And this is what the chorus sounds like all together. Now when the verse comes in, I've cut out the main melody, and I'll introduce a second melody that's going to be the new lead for the verse. Now these notes are actually just the chords again. Almost like an arp. And all together. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Take care.